Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're talking about how to retrieve your IRS Identity Protection PIN, or IP PIN. If you've lost the CP01 and notice the IRS sent you, or you just can't find that 6-digit number, don't worry. There are a few ways to get it back so you can file your taxes electronically and get your refund on time. An IP PIN is a special 6-digit number assigned to taxpayers to help prevent identity theft on federal income tax returns. If you have one, you absolutely must use it to e-file. The fastest and easiest way to get your current IP PIN is by using the IRS's online tool. Go directly to the official IRS website at irs.gov and use the search bar to type "Get an IP PIN." This will lead you to the online retrieval tool. To use it, you'll need to verify your identity. Be prepared with your social security number or ITIN, your date of birth, your filing status, and the mailing address from your most recent tax return. You'll also need access to a mobile phone in your name or an email address to receive a security code. If you already have an IRS online account, this process will be much faster. Once you successfully pass the verification, the system will immediately display your current 6-digit IP PIN. But what if you can't use the online tool or you fail the identity verification? Your next option is to have the IRS mail you a new PIN. This process is much slower, so you should do it as soon as you realize your PIN is missing. You can try calling the IRS, but a more direct method is to file Form 15227, which is the application for an Identity Protection Personal Identification Number. You'll fill out this form and either mail or fax it to the IRS. After they process your request, they will mail a new CP01 and notice with your IP PIN to the address they have on file. This can take several weeks, so it's not a good solution if the tax deadline is right around the corner. As a final, last resort option, if you cannot retrieve your IP PIN in time, you can file a paper tax return by mail. You would simply leave the IP PIN field blank on your Form 1040. However, you need to understand that this will significantly delay the processing of your return and your refund. The IRS will have to perform extra identity verification steps on their end, which can add many weeks to the process. E-filing with your correct IP PIN is always the best and fastest choice. Remember, your IP PIN changes every single year, so you cannot use a PIN from a previous tax season. Always be cautious of scams and only use the official irs.gov website to retrieve your information. I hope this helps you find your IP PIN and get your taxes filed without any issues. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more simple tax tips and financial guidance. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and we'll do our best to help. See you in the next video.